Hello, good afternoon everyone. We're here today at Timepiece360 for a very exciting unboxing. A lovely Cartier timepiece. Let's open up. We found a red box with a lovely gold stitching, and as we open up from the front, we have a Santos series. Reference number is WSSA 0018. Now, this is a very basic model from Cartier, however, it's very special. About two key elements about this watch. From 2018, Cartier has renovated and give like a rebirth to the Santos series, which has been around from 1804. Now, I will show you just quickly two key elements about this watch. Number one is the smart links, where we can take actually by ourselves without requiring any specific tool or any expert. We can actually remove the links that we don't require anymore with the smart link system. And also we have, if we need to interchange the bracelets, we found the quick switch where we can open up the bracelets and we can actually interchange them very quickly. Now, talking about the watch, we find a sapphire crystal, we have a white dial like any other Cartier, we have the Roman numbers on a blue base, and we have also the sword-shaped hands. Now, as we go on the side, we find also a 7 side crown satinated with a blue pearl, and it's lovely. It's really lovely. This is a lovely piece. What actually got me into this watch is its history. The history of Mr. Alberto Santos Dumont, an aviator, and a pioneer in engineering, in exploring, and into aviation. So for me, this timepiece, it has a very special meaning. It means a lot to me. If you're an aviation enthusiast, I suggest you to go for a Santos series. Why not get yours also? Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. See you soon.